The machine must be turned on. Press the release button and open the front cover. Hold the handle of the drum unit and pull the drum unit out of the machine until it stops. Turn the green lock lever counterclockwise until it locks. Holding the handle of the drum unit, lift the drum unit and remove it from the machine. Hold the handle of the belt unit and lift the belt unit up, then remove it. If present, remove the 2 pieces of orange packaging material and discard them. The orange pieces are installed at the factory to protect the machine during the shipment. Hold the handle of the waste toner box and remove it from the machine. Install the new waste toner box in the machine. Make sure it fits firmly into place. Reinstall the belt unit. The green lock lever must be in the release position. Slide the drum unit into the machine until it stops at the green lock lever. Turn the green lock lever counterclockwise to the lock position. Push the drum unit back into the machine until it locks in place. Close the front cover.